Hello everyone, welcome to Taller Del Hogar. This time we are going to repair a washing machine from a Mabe brand washing center. The problem is that it does not drain. We hear this noise a little, because what is heard at first ear, because practically the fault is the drain pump. I'll leave you the link in the description in case you want to buy it, and well, let's see what. It has to be done to disassemble since right now it has water and it is an apartment in which I cannot throw much water. Remember that if you like our content you can like, comment, share, subscribe if you have not done so, activate the bell so that the videos reach you first hand, and well, we're going to start uncovering it by removing two staples from here. To remove this, you can even do it with a credit card, with a flat charaska or with a little cunita so as not to hurt what the washing machine is. By having this thin screwdriver and putting it in straight, it doesn't hurt the washing machine at all. I've had to see that it is difficult for them to disassemble them a lot, but here if you look you just put it straight, a flat one, and pull the lid, and with that it comes out quite easy and it doesn't know. Too bad it doesn't hurt at all when you start playing with the screwdriver up and down, so if you damage this part, but preferably use plastic wedges so as not to damage. Here we can see what the tub is and that it has water in it. The customer will be recommended to do or perform cleaning maintenance. We're going to disconnect what the pump is. It's this one here. Disconnect your washing machine first, don't get stuck there. We're going to remove these two screws. The two screws are 5 to 16. This one here on the right side and the other one on the left side you can't see much. The other one is also there at hand as I say. Remember to de-energize your washing machine to avoid an accident. Also remember that if you have any questions you can let us know by TikTok, Facebook or YouTube. I respond faster in TikTok direct messages because on Facebook and YouTube there are too many comments and I don't have time. If I'm going to comment if I haven't replied to you, it's because if you like the video or it helped you, leave a little heart or leave me a comment from Partridge to react on something so that they can see that I am there, even if I am not there directly. How do we do it if the hose is here and there is water? Well, one of two. If you were in a yard, you unplug the hose and throw out all the water. Here I am in an apartment, here you cannot throw water usually. You can disconnect the hose from the pressure switch, but there will still be half of the tub. So, what I do is put a belt on this part, so that they are a little wide so that they are not going to slit the throat of the hose with that, and it will stop throwing water, or it will throw but very little. As we can see here this is going to give a chance to start changing the pump quickly. I am going to take a little while now because I want to show you how it is done step by step. Here we have the pump spare part. As I tell you, I leave you the link in the description or in a comment on the first comment if it is on TikTok so you can see more or less how it is changed. We remove these 4 screws that we have here, are 3 from the base and 1 that grips the bulb. They are all cross. We have to check that the pump we are going to put is as close as possible or equal to the values that the main pump has. Whether it works 127 volts at the same frequency, that will almost always be in the work and rest times, and as you can see this pump was no longer useful even if you hit it. That you can to say that Zavon I hit it no longer works anymore. It was oscillating, it overheated, it got stuck something, so we already put here what is the pump as it should go. Look, I put its other screws and now we are going to proceed to put it in the part of down so that he doesn't keep throwing water at us, because it's the last thing I want so as not to clean so much, and also so that the customer is not going to be bothered. Here we have that it's quite a lot of water but it's already connected here. I haven't removed the belt yet. Let's go. Screw it already screwed and cleaned everything that is water. We are going to remove the strap now to start draining. It's pretty much a pretty easy repair, but it's very common. If you manage to disassemble this washing machine, you will probably find a plug, a sock or something like that. In 70% of cases, the pump does not need to be replaced, only cleaned. Right now we're going to remove the belt and that's it. Look. It is ready. The pump on and everything, and then we are going to start testing how it is tested. We only give it now to spin and there you will begin to hear what the sound of the drain is here. Something important, this pump, this spare part can only be replaced for the one that is almost the same as the same size. There is a pump that is totally flat white that cannot be replaced with this pump, so if yours was like that you have to look for the one that is most similar to yours, because if not, when it is full of water the washing machine is going to stick a shock absorber on the base. Here we begin to drain it and as you can see there you can already hear the pump working. You can't hear them. The pump is already working and here we can see how the level of the Water, that means that it is already draining perfectly and well, this repair is already ready. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then give it a little heart, a comment, and then let us know that another device you are interested in repairing, since I have quite a few videos to upload.